Make a great choice today with the 2026 Civic. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine and comes with a continuously variable transmission. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, perimeter alarm, Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, 8 speakers, automatic air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, front bucket seats, low tire pressure warning. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.